Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Blockman Go game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman Go game on your device and you will now be allowed to create your profile in order to start playing the game. You can choose from male or female and you may enter your desired nickname underneath within the nickname section. You can also tap on the randomize button to generate a random nickname. After editing your nickname and choosing your avatar, tap on the confirm creation button and now you will be shown various different games that are recommended for you. You can tap on any game in order to start playing it right away. Tap on the skip button if you wish to skip this. You may edit your profile further by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will now show you your profile right away. Underneath, you will now see the register immediately option. Go ahead and tap on it and you can now use your Google, your Facebook or your email address. Tap on either one of these options and you may also tap on account password registration. After entering your email address, tap on the next button and you will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So just check the inbox of the email address that you just entered and you will find your verification code. Enter this code within the given box and then tap on the confirm button and now you will be asked to set up your username. Go ahead and type in your desired name and tap on the next button. And now you will also be allowed to set up your password. Just type in your desired password and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can then tap on the done button and this will now set up your password and create your account right away as well. And now you have successfully been signed up to your Blockman Go account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Blockman Go. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.